So in Google Keep, what you can also do is add in reminders. So to do that, you need to go around and click on a particular note right here so that it expands it out, as you can see. And then what you can do is to add in a reminder, you need to go around over here onto the Remind Me section. So once you go around and click on Remind Me, you can see that I can go around and select one of the options that you see right here, like tomorrow. And now what happens is that if you have the notifications turned on your browser, or if you have the app installed on your mobile phone, then you will get a notification that is a reminder for this particular note. But instead of a reminder, if you want to go around and add in, let's say, more options for just one reminder, you want to repeat it daily, for example, then you can go around and set it out as well, and you can see the icon change accordingly. Apart from reminder, you can also attach locations to a particular Google Keep notes. Let's say, for example, you took this note in a particular location, then you can click around over here, click back, and over here you can see you can pick a particular place or pick a date and time. Let's go to pick place right here, and it says know your location. I'm not just going to block that out right here, and let me just type in a location, Yangon, right here. And you can see that Yangon, Myanmar is an option right here. So I can go around and select that place and press save. And you can see that now, instead of having a reminder, there is a location attached to that particular note. Talking about reminders, you can also go around over here and then go back and pick a particular date and time right here. Let's say a particular date, you can choose from the calendar that you see right here. Or you can go around and then type in the exact date as well. And you can choose the time right here, even choose custom. And then just like this, you can go around and type in the exact time that you want and choose the repetition and click on save. No matter where, if you have added in a location or a time, you can go around and then delete the reminder or the location right here and press undo to bring it back, as long as you have this particular section enabled. So that is how you can go around and add in reminder and location inside of your notes in Google Keep. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.